Welcome to another episode of Intolerable thread. It's really intolerable. The hornet just comes through the door. Intolerable. Hi. Too freaking for me. That's not good. I think every security guard hates me right now. Oh. Screw you guys. Oh, this guy got a pistol, right? Oh, come on, I should just only. Yeah. Oh, this guy got a deagle, not pistol. I thought that was pistol. Sorry, sir. Oh, what are they killing each other? They're killing each other like hell. That looks better. Cool. Sorry. Damn, dude. Okay, that's a good static. Oh my god, this guy got a squad auto machine. Wow. What happened here? Like, oh, it got some intense music. Like Team Fortress 8. Oh, we might can use this gun. Oh, this gun's really ridiculous to use, by the way. You only got 50 bullets. I think normal minigun got like 500. Hey, you. Okay. He doesn't like me. I really want to let him know I'm the good guy to stay with. I only got a squad auto machine gun. A squad auto machine weapon. I think that's its full name, but I don't like call it weapon. It's not like it's. Random dude keeps throwing grenades inside here and I'm about to die. I got music if you guys don't know. Come on, it's a tank. know what we're going to do with the tank. There's only one way to deal with the tank. That's called, hey, this tank is a bit higher but than usual. Than the usual one. Ride the tank. Okay, first, give it a 2 to 3 powerful attack. Okay, then now, let's go down. Oh, get some. Ah, crap! Come on, how? He just shoot directly through the wall. Okay, I think we just put a grenade here. Goodbye, sir. Okay, rip the tank. You know, I like the way to ride the tank, cause that's really funny. So I don't think did I say what we did in last episode? I forget. This is accurate. That turret is funny. I got to shoot that turret. Come on, even I dead, I can still kill you with style. I don't even need to go inside here and I can still kill you. I don't even need to take the spare ammo. You suck, sir. Oh, this place is ridiculous, by the way. What is this? Oh, that's sniper rifle shot. Okay. Oh, there's some pit drone coming on. That's ugly. Come on, hey, you sniper, your sniping skill is so bad I can't even. Okay, let's snipe the sniper with our pistol. I'm going to give it like some 720 no scope. Oh, come on, sir. You hit like a truck, by the way. Normally, I take this gun for fun. This gun's a pile of crap. It didn't have any work. Oh. That thing just ran away. Yeah, he must be glad I have this. Airstrike, come on, I don't even need to waste the YouTube. Thank you. Let's see who can win the electric fight of death. Okay, I've gave up. It's like a tropical island with a lot of aliens, for sure. I'm about to die. Give me health. Come on, who Whoever. God damn it. God, idiot. There's no way I will survive with only flipping goddamn 2 health. Yeah, go screw with other thing. Oh, he's dead, finally. Okay, go screw with other thing, not me. I'm about to die. Yeah, die here. With your friend. It's like a freaking tropical island graveyard. What the hell? A sniper. What happened to here? Okay, I just wonder what happened to here and boom. That's just what I want to see. Big ass explosion. Here's that. Oh, this is all solid. Okay. AKA not breakable. I think he see us. Of course he see us. This fucking god. Hey, sir, you want to know what? Hey, don't throw a grenade, you noob. You can't even throw it. See, just throw it there. Oh, he even knows I am here. This guy is a freaking Illuminati. We need something powerful that can one-shot him. Too over. I went to overshot there. Not overshot, overwalk. It's like dog barking and a dog barking because you're about to die. Sounds like that. Hey, don't worry, so I got a deco. Okay. My god, I saved him. It's like, so I got a deco and I saved him. Thank you. Okay, I'll try to not open the door on the other side. Come on, crap. can't electrify the corpse, by the way. Supplies for here. Looks suspicious. There might be some ambush up there. Oh crap, I said it's an ambush. Maybe evolve into a big walking. That thing's big, by the way. Is that a turret machine that can walk? Oh, see, you got blue lasers. Oh crap. Here's a dangerous confined space of doom. Better save. That's dangerous. Okay, but we're gonna try it. I like dangerous stuff. Because we got infinite lives in here. In this game. Oh, rip. Oh, I can't do anything. God damn it. Can't break this. Why am I even here? Okay, let's see what we can do. God damn it, it hurts. Oh crap. Come on. This is not the right way to rebuild a society. Okay. Just be careful not to touch a fan blade, you idiot. Killed me last time. Okay. Oh, free falling.
Make the hurting stop.
Ah. Feels like hell, I think that's what she said. Or the HPV said. Okay. Just going to some random confined space. What the hell is this? I'm going to save. I don't think I'll be able to come back here later. Oh, ow. Why you shoot me? Oh, fucking crap. That thing's angry.
The hurting stop.
Oh. Ridiculous slowly walking. Come on, oh, okay. It's okay now. What the hell? Okay. Hey, you bitch, you know what I'm trying to do here? You can't just do this to me. Eat this. Ah, come on. Sir, you must die now. What happened here? Oh, you idiot. You can't just bump the door out, okay? Oh, things shooting like hell. I saw they're floating in the air there. That's scary. I got a new satchel. Someone dead. There's a guy still live there.
Check your danger zone. Corner the fire. Friendly fire. Want some of me? Kick your ass.
That's what I'm good. Oh, I got a crowbar, yeah.
Area secure, sir. You want some? Have you seen any other soldiers from my platoon? We got hostile.
Oh, I can't do that. I try to wreck the box. Yeah, thank you for killing this security. So I'm going to end this episode here because I don't know where to go. If you guys like this episode of Intolerable Threat, click that like button down below and subscribe if you're new to my channel. And I'll see you guys in the, well, the next episode. This is quite a long one. And yeah, bye bye.